Imagine if there were a simple vitamin that could actually reverse kidney damage. Sounds impossible, right? But groundbreaking research suggests otherwise. Recent findings reveal surprising benefits of a specific vitamin that might just change the way we think about kidney health. Stick around to find out how this discovery could impact you or someone you love dealing with kidney issues. Kidney health has always been a major concern, especially with chronic kidney disease affecting millions worldwide. But what if there were a groundbreaking discovery that could offer new hope? Recently, a shocking study surfaced, pointing to a specific vitamin with the potential to repair kidney damage. This study has stunned scientists and health experts alike, suggesting that this vitamin could actually help regenerate kidney cells and improve overall kidney function. In today's video, we're diving into exactly how this vitamin works to target the root causes of kidney damage. Whether you're dealing with kidney concerns yourself or know someone who is, you won't want to miss this, because this simple nutrient might just be the key to restoring kidney health naturally. The kidneys play an essential role in maintaining our body's overall health. Acting as the body's natural filtration system, kidneys work around the clock to remove waste products, toxins, and excess fluids from our bloodstream. They help keep our body's internal environment balanced by regulating fluid levels, blood pressure, and essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium. Without healthy kidneys, these critical functions become compromised, which can lead to severe health issues that impact nearly every system in the body. Each kidney contains around 1 million tiny filtering units known as nephrons. These nephrons work to filter blood, reabsorb essential nutrients, and eliminate waste products through urine. When kidney function declines, these processes are disrupted, causing waste to build up in the body. This can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, swelling, high blood pressure, and more. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, occurs when the kidneys gradually lose their ability to filter blood effectively, often progressing without obvious symptoms until the damage is advanced. A key factor that contributes to kidney dysfunction is nutrient deficiency. While we might think of kidney damage as being caused primarily by conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, research shows that vitamin deficiencies can also play a significant role in the onset and progression of kidney issues. Certain vitamins are essential for keeping kidney cells healthy, reducing inflammation, and fighting oxidative stress, two significant factors that contribute to kidney damage over time. For example, deficiencies in vitamins D, C, and E are known to affect kidney function negatively. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in kidney health. The kidneys activate vitamin D, converting it into its usable form, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. When kidney function declines, the body struggles to activate vitamin D properly, leading to deficiencies that can further harm kidney function and even accelerate bone deterioration. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress caused by toxins and free radicals. It also plays a role in the body's natural detoxification processes, supporting the kidneys in their task of removing waste. But while these vitamins support kidney health, there is emerging research on another specific vitamin that may go beyond merely supporting function, potentially aiding in the repair of existing kidney damage. This discovery has captured the attention of the medical community, as it suggests that nutritional approaches could do more than just maintain kidney function. They might even have a regenerative impact. Nutrients are essential not only for day-to-day maintenance, but also for providing our kidneys with the building blocks they need to repair and regenerate. The idea that certain vitamins can contribute to healing kidney tissue is an exciting development, especially for those dealing with chronic kidney disease. This breakthrough study highlights the role of a specific vitamin in reducing inflammation, enhancing kidney cell function, and even possibly reversing some of the damage caused by chronic conditions. In our next section, we'll dive deeper into this vitamin and how it functions to protect and possibly restore kidney health. For anyone with kidney concerns, understanding the importance of nutrient intake, particularly this powerful vitamin, could be the first step toward better kidney health and improved quality of life. Shocking study findings. In a groundbreaking study, researchers uncovered remarkable effects of a particular vitamin on kidney function, sparking hope for a natural approach to managing and even reversing kidney damage. The study revealed that this vitamin, Vitamin K2 holds unique properties that go beyond the typical supportive role of vitamins in our body. Known primarily for its role in bone health and cardiovascular protection, vitamin K2 has now shown potential as a powerful aid in kidney repair and rejuvenation. The researchers found that vitamin K2 could significantly reduce inflammation within the kidneys. Inflammation is one of the major contributors to kidney damage, as it stresses kidney cells and can accelerate their decline. The study indicated that participants who supplemented with vitamin K2 showed a decrease in markers of inflammation, suggesting that this vitamin may help create a healthier, less hostile environment within the kidneys. By reducing inflammation, vitamin K2 can prevent further damage to kidney cells and help support a more stable, balanced internal environment. One of the most intriguing aspects of the study was vitamin K2's effect on oxidative stress, a condition in which there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. High levels of oxidative stress can damage kidney cells over time, leading to diminished function. However, researchers discovered that vitamin K2 acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and protecting the kidneys from further oxidative damage. Participants who received vitamin K2 showed improved antioxidant levels, which plays a critical role in slowing down the progression of kidney disease and potentially reversing damage. The study also highlighted a surprising benefit: improved kidney filtration. In participants with chronic kidney disease, vitamin K2 supplementation was linked to enhanced glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a key measure of kidney function that indicates how well the kidneys are filtering waste from the blood. An improved GFR suggests that kidney cells were functioning more efficiently, and that the kidneys were better able to remove toxins from the body. This was particularly significant for patients with reduced kidney function, as it implies that vitamin K2 may help slow or even reverse the decline in kidney filtration capability. Another unique property of vitamin K2 is its role in supporting vascular health. Healthy blood vessels are essential for optimal kidney function, as they deliver the blood that needs filtering. Vitamin K2 helps prevent calcification within blood vessels, which can improve blood flow to the kidneys, enhancing their ability to filter blood effectively. By promoting both cellular health within the kidneys and vascular health, vitamin K2 addresses kidney health on multiple fronts. Researchers believe that these effects of vitamin K2 may be due to its ability to activate specific proteins that are vital for cellular repair and anti-inflammatory processes. This makes vitamin K2 particularly promising for those with chronic kidney disease, as it addresses both the symptoms and underlying issues contributing to kidney decline. The vitamin and how it works. The vitamin at the heart of this incredible study is vitamin K2. Known mainly for its role in bone health and cardiovascular protection, vitamin K2 has now emerged as a surprising powerhouse for kidney health. But what exactly makes vitamin K2 so special for your kidneys? Let's break it down. First, here's where the magic happens. Vitamin K2 has been shown to significantly reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between harmful free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to damage to kidney cells over time. Vitamin K2 acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing these free radicals before they can do any harm. This protection is crucial because oxidative stress is one of the main drivers of kidney damage and disease progression. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin K2 essentially creates a safer environment for your kidneys to function and heal. But that's not all. Vitamin K2 also targets another key issue: inflammation. Chronic inflammation can be highly destructive to kidney cells, accelerating their decline and worsening kidney function. Vitamin K2 helps lower inflammation levels, soothing the kidneys and preventing further damage. Think of it as giving your kidneys a protective shield, allowing them to heal and function more effectively. Now, here's something even more exciting. Vitamin K2 also plays a unique role in vascular health. Healthy blood vessels are essential for optimal kidney function because the kidneys depend on a steady supply of blood to filter waste effectively. Vitamin K2 helps prevent calcification in blood vessels, which improves blood flow to the kidneys and supports their filtering abilities. Improved blood flow means better nutrient delivery and waste removal, allowing your kidneys to work at their best. Lastly, Vitamin K2 works by activating special proteins within the kidneys that are responsible for cellular repair and maintenance. This activation is key because it allows the kidney cells to repair damage and regenerate, which is rare for most nutrients. By supporting cellular regeneration, vitamin K2 not only prevents further decline, but may also help reverse some of the damage already done. All in all, vitamin K2 is like a multi-tool for kidney health. It reduces oxidative stress, fights inflammation, improves blood flow, and supports cell repair. This combination makes it a promising option for those looking to protect or even restore their kidney health. Up next, we'll explore practical ways to incorporate vitamin K2 into your diet to start seeing these benefits yourself. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of vitamin K2 for kidney health, it's time to take the next step. If you're interested in learning more about how this vitamin could impact your kidney health, dive into the research, ask questions, and see how this breakthrough nutrient could play a role in your wellness journey. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating vitamin K2 into your routine? Or do you have any questions about getting started? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and practical tips on natural ways to support your body. And if you're curious about more ways to improve kidney health, be sure to check out our related videos. We've seen how vitamin K2 could be a game changer for kidney health. With its powerful abilities to reduce oxidative stress, lower inflammation, improve blood flow, and even support cell repair, vitamin K2 is offering new hope for anyone dealing with kidney concerns. This research suggests it may go beyond basic support, potentially helping to reverse existing kidney damage and restore vital functions. For those managing kidney issues or simply looking to strengthen their health, vitamin K2 could be a natural solution with far-reaching benefits. As always, consult with a healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine, especially when it comes to critical organs like the kidneys. Here's to better health and the possibilities that modern research and natural solutions like vitamin K2 bring for kidney health management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.